Students, question number 3's first part I have shown you how to do. Now you can try yourself the second part yourselves. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 4. So question number 4 is write equations for the following. So these are the statements and we have to write equations for them. So first part is the sum of number x and 4 is 9. Sum. What is the meaning of sum? Sum means plus. है ना? Sum means plus. So the sum of x and 4. So how we will write it? X and 4, their sum means plus is means equal to 9. It's 9. So the sum of x and 4 is 9. So this way we will write it in equation form. Okay. Now the second part. 2 subtracted from y is 8. Subtracted means minus. 2 subtracted from y. So we will write y first. Whatever number we have after from, that comes first. So y minus 2 is means equal to 8. So 2 subtracted from y is 8 will be written as y minus 2 is equal to 8. Clear? Now the next third part. 10 times a is 70. 10 times means into. Okay, times means into. So 10 times a. 10 times a. How we will write it? 10 times a means 10 into a, and is means equal to 70. Okay, 10 into a is equal to 70, or we can write it 10 into a. We can simply write it 10a equals to 70. Clear? So I hope this is clear. Now the fourth part. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. So the number b. So we will write it b divided by. Divided by, do you know? Divided by, the symbol is this, by 5. So b divided by 5 gives means equal to 6. So we will write it as b upon 5 is equal to 6. Okay, I think these 4 parts are clear. Now the fifth part. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4. How you write 3/4? 3/4 means 3 upon 4. Okay, 3/4 of means into. Of means into. So 3/4 of into t is means equal to 15. Okay, so 3/4 of t is 15, or we can write it as 3 upon 4 into t means 3 upon 4t. Okay, we just remove this into sign. If we write 3 upon 4t, this is same as 3 upon 4 into t. Okay, and this is equal to 15. So this is the answer. Now number 6. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. 7 times. Times means also into. Times means into. Okay. So what you will write? 7. 7 times means 7 into m plus 7 gets you means equal to how much? 77. Or you can write it 7 into m, this can be written as 7m. 7 into m is equal to 7m plus 7 equals to 77. Clear? Now students, the question number 4's 7th part. It is 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. So 1/4. How we write 1/4? 1 upon 4. Okay, 1/4 is written as 1 upon 4 of a number x. Number is what? Number is x. And of, I told you, of means into. 1/4 means 1 upon 4. Of means into a number x. The number is x. Minus means minus only. So minus 4 gives means equal to 4. Okay, or we can write 1 upon 4 into x can be written as 1 upon 4 x. Okay, minus 4 is equal to 4. Clear? So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now the next part, that is 8, the 8th part. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. If you take away, what is the meaning of take away? Take away means minus. Take away means minus. How much we have to take away? 6. So minus 6. From what? 6 times y. 6 times y. How we write it? 6 times y. Means 6 into y. Times means also into. Okay. So 6 times y can be written as 6 into y. So now how we will write the equation for this? So if you take away 6 from 6 times y, so whatever we have after from, that comes first. So after from we have 6 times y, so this will be written first. 6 times y means 6 into y, that is 6y. Okay, 6y. Now if you take away means minus. How much? 6. So if you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. You get how much? 60. Okay, so this will be the equation. Now the next part, the 9th part. It is, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Add means what? Add means plus. Okay, so if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z, 1/3 is written like this, 1 upon 3, and of means into. This 1/3 means 1 upon 3, of means into z. Okay, so we write this z, small z. So 3 plus 1 upon 3z, you get 30. You get means equals to 30. Or this can be written as 3, or we can write it as 3 plus 1 upon 3z is equal to 30. Okay, so if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 3 is added to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Or we can write it 3 plus 1 upon 3z is equal to 30. 1 upon 3 into z is same as 1 upon 3z. Okay, so I hope all these parts of question number 4 are clear to everyone. So students, Today we have discussed question number 3's first part and question number 4 all the parts. So in your fair notebooks, you will do question number 3's first part only and question number 4's all the parts. Okay, and question number 3's second part you can try yourselves in your rough notebooks. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.